today we'll be making caramelized toast. So for our caramelized toast, we'll be needing 3 ingredients. First, we need our sliced bread. And then, we need sugar. And then we'll add butter.
First, add sugar to the butter. Mix the sugar and butter well until they're fully combined. Keep mixing until the mixture becomes smooth and reaches a spreadable consistency. Once it's done, spread the caramel mixture onto both sides of the bread slices. Make sure to preheat the pan over medium heat. Once heated, carefully place the bread onto the pan. Cook each side until it turns golden brown and the sugar starts to caramelize. Flip the toast over other side evenly. The toast should have a nice crisp and with caramelized glaze. And just like that, our caramelized toast is done and ready to serve.
And now our caramel toast is done. You can now enjoy this with your family and friends during breakfast or snack time. Enjoy!